Hey guys, it's me, and I'm staying weird, you know? Gotta bring it to you. That's the whole idea. Yeah. Get comfortable and get into this. You ready? Yeah. I've been getting like multiple questions from Instagram and some of the people that's out on YouTube that I've got some things out there too. Most of the time it's questions about getting started. Like, can you help me get started? Or I got started in this and there's no support and I can't seem to find any help. You know, and it's like, it sucks. It really sucks that somebody gets you into something and then disappears. So, I'm not that guy. There's probably a TikTok on here saying, you're not that guy, you know? I'm not that guy. Okay. Anyway, what I do have, let's just say two separate things. One being, it's a larger ticket item. Not crazy, but it is a larger ticket item. And it's completely, fully automated. Has websites, has links, has landing pages, has everything built in for you. Plus, it runs on autopilot once you've set things up. And setting things up is probably an hour. I don't even know if it's that long. This particular product has just one link that you promote, right? Just one link. Yeah. And there's 7 different income streams to pick from. And depending upon how you feel is based upon that person picking whatever it is, or not how you feel, but how they feel when they're looking at it. What income streams they want. And you get commissions on each and every one of them. It also has a vast library of videos that you can watch. We also have a Facebook page with over probably 13,000 people that anytime you have a question, you can throw it out there and you're going to get multiple answers that'll take care of you. And that's what we do. We have a community that we work with and we help people within that community. Now the second one, it's a lower ticket item. Costing you $1 a day to do it. That's pretty cheap. But it's an amazing plan. And you can make some money off of it. Now, the cool part, both of those have training. And I say training, that it has training where you're at in that particular program. But I'm talking about me, right? I've created basically a video series of step-by-step, like on the first one, where you log in, what you need to put, how you need to put it, where you need to go after you put it, all of that. I mean, it's step-by-step. If you follow it, you cannot have any issues. But if you do, there'll be a little place on there where you can just text me and I'll answer any of your questions. Now, the second one also has that same kind of video series where I walk you through that. I show you exactly what I'm using. I show you how I figured out, how I find it, what I click on, that sort of thing. And then also how I distribute it. So, you know, you can go with a lot of people out here because it does get confusing. Okay? Enjoy and have an amazing day. Yeah.